Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI builder platform, which is Pineapple Builder and a Durable platform. So to get started with a quick overview with Durable and Pineapple. So to get started, Pineapple is a powerful AI website builder focused on helping entrepreneurs start up quickly, create a landing page, one-pagers, and a personal site. It's simple, clean, and built for those who want a functional online presence fast with integrate forms and basic analytics. Talking about Durable on the other side, Durable is positioned itself as an AI website builder for entrepreneurs aiming to build a full website in under a minute, complete with business tools like CRM, invoicing, and marketing automation. It's ideal for small business or freelancers who want a fast all-in-one solution to get online and manage their business. Talking about what these two platforms are best at, so starting with the Pineapple Builder, it's best for freelancers, solo founders, and creators who want clean landing page with a simple lead generation tools. That is what the platform is best for. Then talking about Durable on the other side, this platform is also best for solopreneur and a small business looking for a fast launch platform with a business tools included. And here's the downside about these two platforms. So starting with the Durable, the downside is it has a low customization and a limited traditional builder, not suitable for complex or large scale websites, and also still maturing in designing flexibility and integration. Then talking about the downside of Pineapple, it is limited for multi-pages or blog style sites. It also has less control over backend features and fewer built-in business tools compared to Durable. So here's a quick evaluation and conclusion about these two platforms. So if you want a beautiful, simple landing page with fast without needing a business extra, just go for Pineapple Builder. On the other side, if you need a lightweight, all-in-one business site with tools to support client management and invoicing, just go for Durable. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section which of these two platforms will be a best and a game changer to you. Thanks.